Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Locksmith Training Program printed version. We've teamed up with the Society of Professional Locksmiths. Their website is the sopl.us. And this training program was created for those entering the business, looking for more foundational information, or if you're hiring employees to become locksmiths but don't have any current experience, this is a great place to start. When you purchase this book, you will get access to free online testing that if you score a 70% or better on, you will be emailed a certificate of accomplishment. And so it's a great way to help expand your knowledge and the information out there in the industry. We do sell kits for the different chapters like key blank identification. So it's going to walk you through how to identify key blanks. And we sell a kit that is used that kind of goes through and shows you how to identify key blanks. Do you need the kit? No, but if you are a better hands-on learner, getting the kits can help you accomplish learning this information. Let me show you about the courses that are involved here. Let me open it up. Let me just zoom in a little. All right, so the first lesson is just going to be maximizing comprehension. It just talks about how this book was written. Then lesson 2, we're going to get into key blank identification. It's going to teach you how to and techniques on how to identify keys. Then it's in lesson 3 is cylinder servicing, pin and disc type. So that's just like your standard, like a cam lock and that uses discs, or a standard door lock that uses pin tumblers. Next, it's going to go into key duplication. It'll walk you step by step on how to duplicate keys and the proper techniques. It's going to go into the codes and equipment. Lesson 6 is basic master keying. Lesson 7's lock servicing. Lesson 8 is Lockset functions. Lesson 9 is professional opening techniques. Lesson 10 is impressioning. Lesson 11 is going over the types of cabinet, furniture, and mailbox locks. Lesson 12 is going to be exit hardware and alarms. Now that's alarms for exit hardware. And then the last lesson, lesson 13, is going to be on door closers. Now let me just open up here to a random page and I'll kind of show you what it looks like here. Let's just start at lesson 3. All right, so lesson 3, just a quick basic overview here. It's just going to show you the contents of everything you're going to learn, and then it's going to go through all of the principles and information on how to learn, and including some common service malfunctions. It's going to get you to organize your information. Over here, it's going to show you, now you do it. It's going to have a little exercise for you to walk through, and then it's going to have a little, just a basic quiz here to check your knowledge. And then once that is done, you can go to the SOPL and take the quiz, which will give you information on how to do that once you have taken the, or once you've purchased the booklet here. So this is the Locksmith Training Program, the SOPL and us put together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.